This video will demonstrate how to use GeoData at Wisconsin to download county and shoreline data that can be used in an ArcGIS Pro analysis of parcels within a 75-foot buffer of the Lake Michigan shoreline. Start by navigating to the GeoData at Wisconsin portal. From the home page, click the Coastal Layers button to search for datasets categorized as coastal. From there, search for shoreline and download the Lake Michigan Shoreline's 2018 dataset. Then click the Back to Search button and search for parcels. Limit the search results to data from 2022. Choose the county you want to analyze from the search results. We'll use Kenosha County in this video. Move both the shoreline data and the county data into the folder you'll be working with for this project and unzip them. Once the files are unzipped, launch ArcGIS Pro. In the New Project section of the homepage, choose to create a catalog and set the folder to your desired location. Once the project opens, click the Add Data button in the top tool ribbon and add the folder with your data. Add both the parcel and shoreline data to the map. In the top toolbar, go to the Analysis tab and choose the Pairwise Buffer tool. Set the input feature to your shoreline data and give the output feature your desired name. Set the units to US survey feet and the distance to 75. Then click Run to create a 75-foot buffer around the shoreline. Zooming in on the map will allow you to see the buffer that was just created around the shoreline. Next, in the top toolbar, go back to the Map tab and choose Select by Location. Set the input feature to the parcel dataset, keep the relationship set to intersect, and set selecting features to the buffer that was just created. Click Apply and then OK. This will select all the parcels that intersect with the 75-foot buffer. Finally, we'll summarize some of the attributes of the data we've selected. On the Analysis tab, click the Tools button, and then search for the Summarize Attributes tool. Select that tool from the search results. Set the input layer to the parcel data set, which still has a selection. Choose the fields you wish to summarize by. Here, we will create sums for both the land value and importance value fields in our data. After we click Run, the output will show us the summed values for the 84 parcels that intersect with the 75-foot shoreline buffer.